It all starts here in Matamata with Bill Aubrey and his family, Fonterra farmers and owners of the co-op. But Bill won't need the gumboots where he's going. Hong Kong. He's off to sample the exquisite work of a world-renowned French pastry chef who only uses New Zealand dairy.
I'm a pastry chef. I was born in a pastry kitchen. It's a life, it's a passion.
Jean-Francois was recognised globally for being the best in the world. Just phenomenal. The colours, the flavours were just beautiful. Jean-Francois and Executive Chef Danny Ho choose Anchor because the components within the product that they receive are critical to what they're trying to create.
I worked with Jean-Francois quite a long time, so he inspired me a lot.
He's used products from all over Europe, from mainland USA and other parts of the world, and he consistently said that none of them can give him the result that he receives from the Anchor product.
Everybody knows about Anchor cream, Anchor butter. It's leader in terms of taste, in terms of stability, in terms of freshness.
Inside Fonterra, we have around 50 chefs globally, and those chefs work with other chefs in hotels and restaurants throughout the world. We have Fonterra representatives working right alongside in terms of use of the product, feedback about the Anchor product, and then how we can enhance and improve if need be.
And that's where we step in. My name's Sandy Legg. I'm a research technologist and I've been with Fonterra for 10 years. We try and design them something new. Our cream comes from the bottom of the world and ends up in these amazing creations.
Jean-Francois is used to opening an Anchor product that is Anchor logoed, and it looks the same, feels the same, and tastes the same every time he receives it. And that's a real achievement from our production site's perspective.
The cream that you see here that's coming out in these boxes currently could have been milked from cows this morning. It's that fresh and it's that good. From here to around the world.
So here at Waitoa, we've got the latest technology in the world in this plant, allowing us to make some of the best cream in the world, such as the demand. We're installing a new line in a few months as well.
I'm proud of the cream we make and where it goes.
Oh, pretty proud to be a New Zealander, really. What we do as a farming community has an impact globally.
As an owner in the Fonterra co-op, I feel huge pride that we're part of a team of thousands, and everyone's got the same view, the same vision for not only Fonterra, not only Anchor, but for New Zealand to be on a world stage at a very, very high level. To see the artistry in finishing off each of these dishes and to learn how important it was for them to source the best product that they could source for the dishes that they were creating. That's absolutely amazing.
So it truly does start here, and then it goes everywhere, taking Fonterra dairy to the world.